do one more video on this thing. We'll knock out the back brake lines. I got to change the U-bolts because they rusted out, so we'll just put a 2-inch lift on the back and raise the front up as high as we can. Bumper, armrest. Maybe we can get the grill. We got to get it this time because I'm getting tired working on it, and I'm sure you guys are tired looking at it. So let's get her done. All right, we're going to change a rear brake line. I think it broke right here. It's pretty rusty. Hopefully we can get them off. But, I mean, the truck, it's got a lot of rust. I almost wonder if we should change the other side too. Nah, let's live dangerously. We'll just change this one. So, after further review, we got bigger issues. This is broke. That one's almost broke. So, we're going to have to do some new U-bolts. The other side's broke too. So that's great. Our exhaust is just hanging here by wires. So we'll have to do something about that. Alright, there's the old brake line. Right there, just rusted in too. Alright, let's see if we can get this brake line off. Goodness. Well. Alright, let's give her some lube. Let's try this one down here first. Oh, dang. What was on there? Well, the juice didn't help. Let's try some fire. That ain't helping either. Alright, so we're just going to cut this line. Alright, of course. There it goes. So I'm going to replace this other rear brake line. Looks like it's rusted out there just like the other one was. So That's part of it. All right, next we'll get these shocks out of here. Next, we're going to take the U-bolts out, and then we'll lift it up. All right, we got all the U-bolts broke loose, so it's pretty sketchy. Gonna break out the plasma gun. What? 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 All right, so here's the new blocks. Actually made out of plastic. Kind of weird, but I guess. See if we can get them under there. These are what, because this has got torque arms, torsion bars, whatever you want to call them. So I think if you screw that in, it raises the vehicle up. So we're going to screw them in as far as we can. Give her a little bit of lube. I think it's a 3/4. It's probably metric, but let's try it. Looks like it's working. All right, that one's all the way in. See if we can get the other one. Let me get a different socket for that one. I think it's actually an 18, but I don't have an 18. Alright, that one's in all the way. I should have raised it a little bit. We're all about raising stuff, not lowering. Alright. It looks pretty good. I lifted the front up as high as it would go. Then we put the 2-inch blocks in the back. Yep, looks good. Looks like a rust bucket from hell. All right. All right, this is the line I cut. I put a new end on it, flared it out. Got the new rubber line on it. I got one of the metal lines back on. And I pulled the bleeder out because I need to clean it. It's plugged up. On this side, the bleeder broke off. So we're going to take the brakes apart and go into town and buy another one. It just keeps going. Looks good. So I'm hoping I can just take this spring out, get it far enough apart to get this out so I don't have to take the whole thing apart. So I didn't have to take anything apart. It just slid out. So that's nice. All right, I'll go get a new one. Got the new one. Napa. Didn't even have to take nothing apart. All right, now I'm going to throw that other brake line on. Need to do something with the exhaust. All right. Got it all back together. One side's metal, one side's copper. Don't matter. The copper one is easier to bend, but they'll both outlast the truck probably. I just welded that exhaust up there. All right, I got some new armrests for it. Passenger side and the driver's side. So I'm going to get them installed. I don't know what that's to, but they don't even fit. So let's do the driver's side. I don't know if it over here either. All right, maybe this is the passenger side. Let's try that again. does fit. Well, let's try this. That's definitely not going to fit the other side, but we'll try it. No. This is like 95 and newer. So they sent me one that's right and one that's wrong. That's nice of them. So that's great. The other armrest is on its way, but I'm not going to show that since I showed doing this one. Got the other armrest in. Wasn't going to show it, but I got it, so I'm going to show it. Got this one from Amazon. I got that one over there from A1. They only got it 50% right because they gave me that side's the right one, and then the one they sent for this side was the wrong one, so I ordered another one from Amazon. Alright, got interior mostly clean. Gotta do something with them wires up there, but I'll wipe that dash down again. But this carpet, I'm gonna see if I can get some of that out of there. That's pretty nasty. The other side looks good. I'm gonna try this 409. Spray that down. I'm starting to run out of juice. My hand's getting tired. Let me switch. It's in my face. Alright. Now I'm going to use this carpet cleaner I got from Menards. And I'll go over that. And then we'll come back. Alright. It's definitely better. Not great. That stuff's like concrete. Probably the only way to really get it clean is to pull it out. But have you seen the outside? We'll probably just go with this. I think that's good. Armor all the hell out of it though. Alright, I've wiped it all down. There's armor all. I mean, we can't make it too nice. I mean, look at the dash. But it's way better than what it was. I didn't really use armor all. I used this. I like this. This stuff smells good. So I just hosed it all down with that, and then I sprayed this. Look how dirty that thing is. I don't know if you can tell. Look at that. Then I hosed this down with that, and then just wiped everything down. So if you want to use that idea, go ahead. I give you permission. It worked good. All right. So next, I got to put the kick panel and the seal back in. That's pretty much it for the inside. Alright, I've got the, whatever this is, the seal back in, the kick panels back in. Everything's cleaned up. Just need to pick up my mess. Here's, that's pretty nasty. And I had to use this. The brush on here isn't the best and doesn't have the best vacuum. So I ended up using my little shop vac and this drill with the brush on the end of it. It's not perfect, but it is a lot better than what it was. Maybe after it dries, some of that dirt will creep up and we can vacuum it again. A lot better than what it was, though. But that's done. I got the lights in there. This one's not, the one on the driver's side is not the same as the one on the passenger side, but who cares? They're in there. It's just a work truck, you know. Good enough. Alright, thanks for watching. Subscribe. And don't be mad about it.